If you're seeing the GOG Error 503 Backend is unhealthy message, don't panic. In most cases, this is a temporary server issue, and the fix is very simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to get GOG working again, step by step, and I'll also show you a few extra checks in case the problem is on your side. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most important thing to do is wait and try again. A 503 backend is unhealthy error usually means GOG's servers are having trouble handling requests right now. That means the problem may not be your computer, your browser, or your internet at all. Wait about 5 to 30 minutes, then try launching GOG again. In a lot of cases, the service recovers quickly and starts working normally without you having to change anything. While you wait, it's a good idea to check whether the issue is affecting other users too. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com/status/gog.com. This will show you if a large number of people are reporting the same problem. If you see a spike in reports, that usually confirms it's a server-side outage, and all you can really do is wait it out. Next, restart GOG Galaxy or your browser. If you're using the GOG Galaxy launcher, close it completely first. Open Task Manager, select GOG Galaxy from the list of running apps, right-click on it, and click End Task. This fully shuts it down, instead of just minimizing it in the background. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy and try signing in or loading your library again. If you're using the website instead of the launcher, close the Browser tab, refresh your browser, or restart the browser entirely and test again. Sometimes the error clears after a clean restart. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make a server error look worse than it really is. Try restarting your Wi-Fi or router first. Unplug it for about 20 to 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the connection to fully come back online. Then try GOG again. If possible, test another network too, like a mobile hotspot or a different Wi-Fi connection. That helps you figure out whether the issue is with your home network specifically. Now, let's talk about VPNs and proxies. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try again. The same goes for any proxy settings you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with login requests or routing to GOG servers, which can trigger connection issues or make a 503 error appear. Turning those off is a quick way to rule that out. If you're still stuck, try opening GOG.com in a browser instead of using GOG Galaxy. Sometimes the problem only affects the launcher, while the website still works fine. If the browser version loads normally, that's a strong sign the issue is specific to the app and not your account. That means you can at least access your library, account, or store pages while waiting for the launcher to come back online. So to recap, the best fix for GOG Error 503 backend is unhealthy is to wait a little while, check the server status, restart the launcher or browser, verify your internet connection, disable VPN or proxy tools, and try the website directly in your browser. Most of the time, one of these steps will get you back in quickly. If this video helped, please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.